Hello my lovelies, today we are making some love heart silver necklaces using my absolutely amazing holographic Chameleon Mica powders. These are from Toonfish Crafts and I cannot sing their praises enough. I absolutely adore them. They change colours depending on how the light hits and I absolutely cannot wait for you to see how these turn out. I'm so pleased with them. So these are the love heart pendants I'm using. They're silver plated stainless steel and they are from Amazon. And the colour I'm starting with first is the copper gold. This is absolutely beautiful. It looks bright gold or rose gold or a slight pinky colour to it. It even has a very tiny hint of green if the light hits it a certain way. Absolutely mesmerised, can't put my words out today. Absolutely mesmerised by how these colours change depending on how the light hits. I really do adore them, as I'm sure you can tell. So I'm just using my little paintbrush and I'm painting the powder literally straight onto my damming tape. Which is especially for working with resin. And what I'm going to do after that, excuse me, my throat's going a bit this morning, is just put on my clear UV resin afterwards. So I'm just going to speed through this bit and we'll go on to the next bit. So I've cleaned off my brush and I'm ready to go with the next colour. This one is indigo green fleck. I really can't speak this morning. I love this one as well. I think I love all of them, so I should just stop saying I love it, shouldn't I? So yeah, indigo green fleck. It's a really deep, bright kind of purple. You can get a very slight hint of pink to it, I think, in a certain light, but it is predominantly purple with a hint of green. Yeah, you're going to see how all these turn out at the end anyway. But so again, I'm just repeating what I've already done, painting directly onto the tape, ready for pouring the resin at the end. Next up is my green mauve powder. This one is a slightly paler purple than the indigo green one. It's a pinky purple. It has hints of green, but when I say hints of green, it's kind of a turquoisey sea green. It's hard to describe, but it's really pretty. I adore this one no matter what colour shows through in the light. So again, just going to do the same thing, speed you through it, and we'll go on to the next colour. My next colour is rose gold green, and it's exactly what it says on the tub actually, what it says on the tin. It is truly magnificent, this one. I'd go as far as to say it's almost got all the colours of the rainbow in this, depending on how the light hits. It's got your rose gold, it's got your pink, it's got bright gold, it's got green, it's got a hint of purple in there. Absolutely stunning one, this one. I'm sure you can guess now that I'm going through all 6 colours in the pack because I just had to try them as soon as I received them. There was no stopping me. My penultimate colour is purple magenta. Again, really pretty colour. As you can see there, as I'm turning it over and the light catches it, it's very subtle differences. All of these powders are super shimmery, which that's a massive tick in my book. Gotta love sparkle and shimmer, definitely. And last but not least is the turquoise pink. I absolutely love this. Just look at it going from pink, pinky purple to turquoise and back again. There's nothing not to love about any of these powders. So here we are with the close-up. As you can see, they're all uniquely beautiful in their own way. I'm really looking forward to seeing these finished. I really am. I don't think I've ever felt quite so excited over some powders. This is the resin I'm using. It's Let's Resin UV resin, and it's just a standard clear hard type. So I'll start applying it inside that little love heart. And then we'll skip through, because you don't want to see me do this to the very end. I'll maybe show you the first one or two and then we'll speed it all up for you. So I'm just going in with my little silicone tool and making sure that all the resin is in to all of the edges and there's no gaps or bubbles anywhere. And now we're ready for putting under the UV light. This is a Let's Resin one. It's brilliant because it comes in two parts and you can either use them both together and cure both sides, you know, through the top and bottom at the same time, or you can do what I'm doing and just pop it over them and cure the top. So what I'm about to do now is use my Let's Resin epoxy pigment, and I'm going to put just a little bit in, as you can see. It's a resin pigment paste, and I'm going to mix it with my UV clear resin so that we can get ready to do the backside of the love hearts. These powders really do show magnificently when you put a dark back in with them, so that's the aim today. Okay, so I'm just using a tiny silicone spoon that I have. It's really flexible and really small, and it just helps me to be more precise with adding to these love hearts. So I'm going to very carefully spread it around each one. Oh, there we go, I said very carefully, and I've already made my first little bit of mess, but I will clean that up before I pop it under the light. So I'm going to do each one exactly the same and then pop it under the light. And here we are, everything's nice and cleaned up and ready to go under the light for its final cure. So we'll turn these over and grab the clear UV hard resin, and we're just going to give the fronts a little bit of a dome. So I'm just making sure there's no bubbles and spreading everything out to the very edges before we pop it under the light for its final cure. After that, they go onto their lovely silver chains and we'll be ready for the glamour shots at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe if you don't already, because every little thing really does help this small channel.